It's drawing time. Tonight we're going to do the drawing. Just FYI, there's going to be a lot of camera moving, and it's going to be not the best video I've ever made. But it's late. I got to get it done. Let's go. RoadGlideSully here, checking in from the once independent Lone Star State. So it is 9:47. I'm just now getting home, and it's been a long day. It's been a long weekend. I followed up on all of the entries for the giveaway last night after midnight. I just haven't had a chance to do the drawing today.
Warning, advanced Mac 2.
So as you can hear, I'm going to be moving the camera around a little bit today. I've got a special guest. This is my boy. He's doing works. He's doing work getting ready for finals. He's getting ready to go off to college. And so he's going to help me tonight. He's going to actually do the randomizer on figuring out who is the winner. So I'm going to try to do this in one take. I am not going to edit this video. What you see tonight is what you get. So just a quick run through. So here's kind of something that happened. This is a last minute executive decision. I figure I can do that. It's my damn giveaway. Originally, and actually in the update, I said that I was going to do 2 drawings. Still going to do 2 drawings. I said that I was going to do 1 drawing for a grand prize, 1 drawing for a second prize. Still going to do that. But I also said that if you were not a subscriber up to the point at which I posted the original 300 giveaway drawing, that you were only eligible for the second prize. And here's the deal. Here's kind of what happened. I realized that YouTube doesn't quite keep up with my ability to make decisions. I'm apparently faster and better at making decisions than YouTube is at figuring out the technology to support those decisions. So I have searched high and low, trying to figure out how to tell when someone was a subscriber and when they weren't. So it got kind of difficult. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play fair, because that's the kind of guy I am. So I'm going to add something to the giveaway, and I'm going to make it so that everybody is eligible. If you did a VR, you got 3 entries. If you did a comment, you got 1 entry. And I'm going to make it so everybody's eligible for both prizes. I've got about 105 total entries. And I can tell you that most of these people on this list, most of you, were already subscribers. There's a couple of new folks, but most of you were already subscribers to my channel before the GAW. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play nice. And I'm going to add a pipe to the giveaway. So I'm still going to do a prize 1. I'm still going to do a prize 2. Prize 1, if you remember, was Tuscany, small batch, that's Carolina Red Flake, a tin of 1-year-old Escudo, and a tin of Capstan Ready Rub from April 2013. In addition to that, I have on the block this Fat Author pipe. Hard to see. Fat Author pipe. It's not going to focus. I don't care. What I've decided to do is I've decided to add to the mix a choice of pipe for the first grand prize. And that, oh, here, I got to do the official, because this one's never been officially revealed. So if you can tell by the red, it is a Rossi pipe. And it is the official pipe of the YTPC. It is a 320. It's actually an 8320 because it's Rossi. But I'm going to give this pipe away as well. So if you win the grand prize, you get all the tobacco that I just talked about, and you're going to get your choice of the Rossi, or, not and, or the Fat Author from Morgan Pipes. And then whichever pipe you don't select as the #1 grand prize winner will go to the second prize. And I'm just going to make everybody eligible for both prizes. Like I said, it's my damn drawing. I'm sorry if that offends anybody. Sorry. Is what it is. All right, so here we go. We've got 105 different folks just to be on the up and up. This is where I'm going to move you around a little bit. I'm going to take this. I'm going to show you all the names that I got. So hopefully, it looks like some folks are on house party. I'm going to scroll through these lists. So just keep an eye on the screen. Hopefully you can see your name and your number so that you'll know. I have not randomized these. I'm only going to randomize the actual drawing itself. All right, so a little bit over halfway through. This is where I need like the Jeopardy music. Hopefully you've seen your name. And I got to be honest with you guys, I did everything I could to find everybody's name. I found videos that were not posted on the actual GAW posting of mine, but I still found them. I searched high and low trying to find you. I apologize if your name's not listed at this point. It is just too late. So, here's what we're going to do. We're going to light my pipe. And then we're going to have my boy here enter a randomized number. Now, hopefully you can see if it'll focus. It might not focus. There's 105 there. That's the number that I ended on. You can't see that. There we go, 105. And that's just the number that's on there. That's not the winning number. I'm going to have my boy here hit randomize, and that will be randomizing between 1 and 105. So all you got to do is hit it. There we go, 63. 63, all right. Sorry for the camera work, 63. Who is 63? 63 is Super Glide Fletch. Okay, I said I wasn't going to edit this video, and I had every intention of not doing that. Until it dawned on me that up to this point, you've seen that I just drew number 63, Super Glide Fletch. Now, I'm kind of freaking happy about that because anybody with a name Super Glide is my kind of people. Second of all, I'm really stoked about this because if you remember in my original 300 GAW video, I told you the reason that I wanted folks to do a VR is because that's how I got started presenting. The very first video that I did was a response to Bean's 316 giveaway. And as I was getting ready to post this video, I looked up Super Glide Fletch and realized a very cool thing. And that very cool thing is that the very first video that Super Glide Fletch did was the VR to this giveaway. So honestly, I can't think of a better person to win this GAW. I just thought that was cool. I had to throw this in back to the regularly scheduled program. Super Glide Fletch, you are the grand prize winner. So you get to choose between one of those two pipes, either the Rossi 320 or the Morgan Bones Fat Author.
She might be wearing like a bathing suit like they do in the...
My boy wants to know if he should be wearing a bathing suit. I'm gonna make another executive decision. No, he should not be wearing a bathing suit
Saying.
on my YouTube channel.
You gotta give the people what they want.
I'm thinking the people do not want a bathing suit.
That's what you say now.
And hey, if you wanna start your own, hey, my son might be starting his own channel. And so, ladies, if you want to see him in a bathing suit, you're gonna have to look for his channel. All right, we're gonna do the second prize. As you can see, it's still sitting on 63. That is the grand prize winner. That's Super Glide Fletch. Now let's gonna do We're going to do the second one. And it's 44. I have to say it that way. I don't know why. 44. I sound excited. 44. Because I certainly am not excited about seeing my boy in a swimming suit on my channel. Just saying.
That's great.
44. Let's see who 44 is. 44 is... He probably already knows. Mr. Kopecky. You are the second prize winner. So, you are going to get whatever pipe, whichever pipe that Super Glide Fletch does not want. So you're going to get whichever one he doesn't want. But you're also going to get a 10 of Margate. You're going to get some Sutliff 515 RC1. And you're going to get 2 ounces of Bayou Morning that, because I'm lazy, I haven't quite packed up yet. But it'll be in your box. So both of you guys, I need you to reach out to me. Let me know what your shipping address is. You can do that at RoadGlideSully@gmail.com. Send me your YouTube name and then your shipping information. And I will make sure to get that stuff out to you as soon as possible. As I mentioned, my boy's graduating, so we're kind of running around with our heads cut off a little bit, trying to get everything ready for graduation parties, trying to get everything ready for him to go off to college, and going through a lot of Kleenexes because his mama loves him. What can I say? So that is the drawing. Guys, that's all I got for tonight. It's late. It's Sunday. Like I said at the start, it's been a long weekend. So I'm going to chime out. And until next time, I am RoadGlideSully. Keep the rubber side down.